Welcome to today's episode. We are putting that in today. And Adam got a new toy. It's a Honda motor of some sort. There's no markings on it, so I don't know. Some sort of front wheel drive motor. Yeah. It's going into this thing.
Honda motor.
Honda. Oh. I guess it's Honda motor. It's a JZX 100 Type R VVQL series Spec S red edition. Yeah. Black edition. Plaid edition. Platinum edition. Oh baby. Let's pop this up. Oh, I'm just kidding. I just can't. All right, let's get to it. Before today's episode, I just want to say these eBay trunk struts are amazing. They do hold it up. Do. Eating time first. Guess what today is? It's package day. Boom. Belt. I hope these are the right ones, actually. It is not labeled. What the? These are right? Anyway, S14 SR, AC belt, power steering belt, and I forgot the other belt. So, but the next one is the big boy. Oh no, there's stuff in here. So check it. Sorry, I had some technical difficulties unwrapping the box, but finally got a rack back. Got it sent to Sparky Built. I will put the link in the description, but rebuilt it, stage 3. So, and fittings, and look at that. Came with boots. Braided lines. This thing I cannot wait to put on. I guess you guys can see that reoccurring theme here with the blue. So, it's package day! And down we go! Oh my god, I'm so bloated still. By the way, everyone congratulate Adam. He is now engaged. I remember when I was engaged. That was cool. It was a fun year. So while I was gone, Adam got the rack in. We used the GK Tech bushings. Pushes it up like 5 millimeters in front. We got the new rack in. Huge shout out to Sparky Built. I'll put the his Instagram in the channel down here. So he did that rebuild. So cool. Cannot wait. It's actually really close to the blue that I have. Yeah. Really close. Check this contraption that Adam made. So what does it do again, Adam?
Primes the engine.
It primes the engine.
So you don't have dry start.
So you do not have a dry start. Look at that. He is the, what do they call the kid from Fast and Furious? Mad Scientist. There you go. You're the you're the SR20 Mad Scientist. I guess. Oh yeah, we gotta clock that. Purchase this guy. Put a new boot on there, so no gunk goes inside. This one's coming in soon. I don't know. Got the belts on. AC compressor is on. Yes, this will have air conditioning. Hopefully. I gotta get those lines made still. SR20 HKS. Oh, sweet. You gotta love it for the oil. Dude, that is really cool. Huh.
And this is how you prevent dry starts, especially on like fresh rebuilds.
There you go. Heyo, we are in. As McLovin would say, it's in. Don't make fun of me, man.
What the hell did you waste your money on this time?
Uh-oh.
Not me, him.
Oh, well, he's a lot, so you're not.
Yeah.
This is right hand drive.
It is right.
Fucking A.
Just kind of toss everything together to see what it looks like. Don't mind the valve cover. And the intake manifold. Getting stuff chromed. I think, just kidding. But, man. We are gonna put the moon face down pipe back in. By we, I mean we. We. Adam fixed the welding on there, so it's not cracking anymore. And we're just bolting this bad boy up. Ow! Jeez, look at that. We are under the car, if you guys didn't notice. And, oh, there it is. Got it. Nut is in, baby. Hey. Oh, look at this. Ow, Jesus, my head. This is such a great... Oh, you know what? While I'm here, should I put the sleeve in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Reconnect everything here. Tina, tighten all those.
Sleeve is in. Tighten what?
The down tight bolts.
The what?
Down tight bolts.
Oh, yeah.
And you probably need something down there.
I could like plug the starter in too while I'm here. Or I don't even know. Alright, my back is starting to hurt, but I got the downpipe in. And oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Got the, can you see it? Nope. There we go. The turbo elbow bolts in. Got that in with the nifty boot. Is it sealed right? Good. Yep. Everything looks to be good down here. You just have to put the part of the drive shaft in, and I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and plug all this stuff in. So now we're gonna go. I'm stuck. Ugh. Ugh. Oh no, I'm stuck. Help. Oh, there we go. Never mind. I'm not stuck anymore. My knuckles are cut, by the way. Boop, boop. Ow. So I did this to the Andretti boost controller. Put Tesla tape on there, so when you put it on the paint, it doesn't scratch. That. The more you know. Since the brake line's closer to the manifold, even though I have a heat shield there, put gold tape to reflect. I also wrapped the brake line with some gold tape just in case. Finishing this bad boy up.
It's so funny that they're both SRs, but like they look way different.
Definitely way different. Well, we got what we could done today. Like I said, we're waiting for the intake manifold, the valve cover, some other things so we could just finish things up. We put the boost controller back there. Finish some wiring. Everything looks good. Cannot wait. Cannot wait.